I get it. Live streaming online is really nerve-wracking, especially when you're live streaming in your Facebook groups, on your live feed, on YouTube, on LinkedIn. Doing this creates anxiety and stress and tension. So I want to show you how I am live streaming in multiple places at one time, and how I can not only live stream, but be able to bring people into the conversation, be able to chat, be able to share my screen and make it look really nice and professional. And the best part is that you can do this for free right now, starting a free account. And I want to show you Melon, which is the streaming service I've been using for a couple of months now. It's convenient, it's easy to navigate, it's not overly complicated inside the program. And the best part is that you can try it out for free without a trial run. There's a free account available for you that you can do to see if it's right for your business, but also to see if it's something that is going to help you. It's a great way to practice live streaming and get, the easiest way of learning how to be on camera without worrying about what's going to happen in the moment. And it's going to give you all the tools that you need to live stream efficiently, effectively, and calm that anxiety and nerve when you hit go live. So let me take you right into Melon, show you how I use it, the best tips and tricks I have for you for live streaming along the way. Let's go in and dive on into Melon. To get started below, go ahead and click the link in the description box to take you to the website. And then you can scroll through this homepage and see all the features. But I want to save you time, so I'm going to show you all the features right now. If you want to get started, all you have to do is click Get Started. You want to put a credit card in, and you can sign up right here on the screen, and you can create your account. I want to go ahead and log into my account, and this is what it looks like. Now you're going to notice up here on the upper right hand corner, this is my image. What I really, really love is you have a ton of options just within this program right here. So after you set up your free account, you will be able to go into the studio and navigate all of the options that you have. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like to see if it's something that you would like to use and how it can help you. And then I'm going to show you how you can edit it and make it look fancy. Now you'll see I have one of my images here because I go live in my YouTube class every single week. If you're interested in that class and you're getting started in YouTube, I'll put it down below where you can join my YouTube for Artists and Educators course to get you set up with your YouTube account and how to navigate working and creating content on YouTube. What I really like about this program is that it just takes a few clicks to go live. Say I wanted to go live, I can click on the green button down at the bottom. I can click on YouTube, or I can click Facebook in any of the groups that I have set up. I use my YouTube for Artists and Educators group quite often. But let's just say I want to do a YouTube stream, and I'm actually going to do it private for the sake of this recording. After I do that, I can click the next button. I can put in a title here, I can put in my description, and I then click Go Live. When you're done, all you have to do is hit End Stream and it will stop. So the best part about this is it takes literally like 5 clicks to set up your stream and get going. And then the other thing you're going to notice is that you can actually live stream on multiple platforms: YouTube, Facebook, any of your accounts on Facebook, your groups, your personal page, your business page. You can also use LinkedIn, you can use Twitch, and they've added a lot of other ones recently because they're always updating this platform, which I really, really like. You can also record only, so say you just want to record, you can record a live stream, you can record a stream without even going live. Say you just want to record something and you don't want to do it in Zoom. You can click a title here, and then you can click Start Recording, and it's going to count you down, and immediately you're going to be able to record everything that's happening right here. And you can save this and send it to your students or whatnot, and then you have a recording available to you in a cloud-based program. Another feature that I like is if you go up to the icon in the top right-hand corner, you can go over to Settings, and then you can click Broadcasts on the left-hand side, and it's going to be a cloud-based recording system. So every time I go live, I have it set to record, and I have a great recording of all of these different streams that I can then reuse for other parts of my business if I want to. Let me show you a few things that I really like in the dashboard area too here. See that it's easy to navigate because on the left-hand side, I'm going to have my streams and this is what they're seeing live. So if I went live right now, this is what they're going to see on my screen. Now, if you click edit screen down here at the bottom, I can then edit my logo. I can add a banner here if I want at the bottom. I can add a ticker, meaning that at the very bottom it will scroll by and I can edit that if I'd like to. Put my text here if I'm streaming live. I have different fonts that I can pick for that ticker down at the bottom. I can do a background color from that streaming. Also, what I really like is the background here. Say you want to have a background. Mine is my image that I uploaded for my course, but say you want the background to not just be blank. They have all of these different really cool background images built in, so it makes it look a little bit fancier, a little bit more professional. So I'm going to use, we'll use this blue one for now. And then you can also upload anything that you have. And then down here on the video one, you can click that and you can actually do a countdown. So if you're live streaming and you want to have a countdown instead of it just you popping on, I've used this a couple of times and I really, really like it. You can click a countdown and it will immediately count down. And it has that countdown with built-in music. So you can click that on your screen and have a really fancy countdown with just by navigating it right here. You also have the option for a green screen down here as well. So another few things you have down here is your chat. You have this chat where if you are streaming on multiple platforms at one time, it's all going to go into this stream chat here on the right-hand side. And this makes it really easy for you to navigate that multiple stream sharing at one time, all of the chat going into one section. So that makes it easy to navigate so you can comment and talk to your guests and the people watching your content all at once. What's really great is down here at the bottom on share screen, if you click on the little arrow, you can actually share it in 1080p, which is fabulous. So I always turn that on. And then what you can do is if you want to click share screen, click that, and then I can navigate a certain application window or a certain tab, and I can have that. I'm going to click this one, click share. Okay, if you want to share audio as well, you can take that on. Click share, and it's going to load over here in your dashboard on the left-hand side. So in the main stream, when I go live, I can click my face, and I'm on the stream, or I can click both and have two at one time. What's really fabulous about this is instead of Zoom, where you get really tiny down the corner of the bottom, now I can have me and I can have what I want to show on my screen both at the same time. Say I want to take myself out of it, I can hide either one and just put that on the screen, or I can put myself. Say you're bringing other guests in, you'll have them on the left-hand side here, almost like a green room, and you can bring them on and off just by clicking on their stream, and it will add them to this main one. You can do different layouts here if you'd like. I kind of just leave it normal. I just like that I can, before I go live, I bring up all of the different screens and tabs on the left-hand side. So when I click it, it is easy for me to navigate what I want to show, and I can click it on, I can click it off, and it looks kind of really fancy. One thing I've been doing lately with Melon that I really like is I like to schedule. So if you go down here at the bottom right-hand corner where it says the schedule tool, click on that and click on the green button at the far right side where it says schedule broadcasts. And now I can schedule a broadcast so people know it's coming, and also give them idea of why they should log in and tune in. I do this on my Facebook page and my group a lot for my YouTube class. And so all I will do is click Facebook, and then I will select my group that I stream in, okay? And then you have different options down here as well. But next, we're gonna do the stream information. I'm gonna pick the date that I'm gonna go live with them every single week. I'm gonna put a title here. I'm gonna put a description. You can upload a thumbnail image by clicking right here. And then after you click schedule, it is then going to pop it in to that place that you're streaming and tell them, hey, there's gonna be a stream happening. And people can put it on their schedule. They're going to be notified that it happens if they're part of that group, and it's a really great way to get people excited about it. Then when you're ready to stream it, all you have to do is log back in. It will be in your schedules here as well, in your scheduled on the right-hand side, the broadcast that you have scheduled, and you just click on it, and then you get everything set up on the left-hand side here, and then you'll just click go live when you're ready, and it will immediately pop you out to go live. A few tips here. When I first started doing this, I got a little nervous. So what I did was I scheduled over here, I scheduled something on my YouTube page and I did it as private, just as a test to see how it works, what happens, and what it looks like. And then what I really like to also do is you can navigate back into your broadcasts and you can view where it was, but you can also download the recording here and upload it for other places that you would like to. And then of course down here at the bottom you also have your different microphones that you can choose from. You have your different videos that you can choose from, like I'm using mine Camlink right here and I have full HD set, but you can change that up if you'd like to as well. And it's really very, very similar to Zoom. So you have all of these different buttons down here. But the best part is that you can easily click on it and navigate what you want to show in the stream whenever you go live. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it was helpful and offered you some valuable information, made live streaming a little bit easier for you, gave you some tips and tricks to get started right now with live streaming in multiple platforms. Don't forget, if this was helpful for you, please give it a like, a thumbs up, click subscribe to my channel if you want to check out my videos every single week that I have coming out. And I also picked a couple of videos, one right over here, and then there's one right there as well that I think you might be helpful, that you might be interested in and be helpful for you right now in this moment. Have a great week and I'll see you in the next video.